Hey guys, how you doing today? I have a package in today from QDL, Justin. So let's get into this, Justin. I want to show you, bro. This is a big old hole in the box. I don't know if anything might have fell out of there through its travels. There were these little pieces laying on my deck when I picked the box up. I'm not sure what the mailman did here. So let's get in there. Hopefully he just threw it over my fence and it just pierced through the deck. So sad that he did that, but let's go ahead and get in this, guys. And I'm hiding Justin's address because he might not want no one to know. But there you go. Trusty AK knife as always. And let's see what we got in here from QDL, Justin. Thank you, brother. Whatever may be in here. I hope it didn't nothing fell out, man, because you know you sent it to me. PS3 Justin Winter QDL FLIGHT. Oh, awesome, dude. So this is a picture that you took with your PS3. Nice. I'll put that with my collection of notes that everyone sends to me with packages. So okay, we got some gear. It looks like some snaps onto the little drones, the little hubs in here. Prop protectors. Here it is. That goes and gives you a better picture. So it shows you exactly what it does. So there you go, you got two of them. Well, thank you, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, he's not lying, man. He has parts in here, Jack. We have a little Battle X transmitter for the little battle drones, and there's two of them in here. They're apart. Justin had problems with them and took it apart. So that's what this box is basically, guys. Stuff that Justin had problems with, and he just sent it over to me and said, hey, if you want to tinker with it, here you go. Wow, box of propellers, check that out. Always can use them on the nanos. Wow, dude, there's a lot of props in there too, Justin. Thank you, bro. Some more propellers. Sweet, never can have too many nano propellers, I promise you that, guys. Guys, check this out here. This is a, wow. S1, S2, okay, cool. This is a freaking nice charger, man. Sweet, all for 1S batteries. Hobby grade charger. Okay, we have one guy here with the motors hanging out. This is the one he wants me to fix and get back up and running, because that's the one that goes with the transmitter. So I believe that's going to go on the racing frame that he has set up. So we'll get all into this and see what we have here. I think I'm going to have to set this down over here for a second, and I'll open up this here, and this will make this like a blanket, because things are going to fall through if I start setting things out here. So let's get this all set up. Man, really nice picture, Justin. I really like that, dude. Little photographer you are. So let's set this up, guys. We're going to get everything out here and show you guys exactly what Mr. QDL had sent MD here. Okay, so let's get further into this. Cardboard box with some holes in it. No, I'm kidding. There's propellers in there. Little tiny propellers. Like I said, you can never have too many propellers. Look at this, more propellers. He must know I really go through these things. Another body, it looks like the top shell maybe. Okay. This is the battle drones, I believe. Okay. There's the arm that's missing off of that. This is the racer frame, okay? This is what he wants me to put onto the Hubsan. These are just little motors here. This is everything just stuck to their motors because they're metal. You know, they're magnetic. So, really nice little frame, man. That's sweet. Probably a 130. I'm definitely building this, Justin. You can count on that, brother. You can count on that, my friend. And these are just miscellaneous little parts here. Here's something else with the board and all. Not sure what that might go to, but we'll figure that out. Sure, whatever I need help with, he'll help me out here. There's parts go to that, I'm sure, and then that would be the battery bay for that. This is probably, looks like the top of that, so that's going to go with one of these. I know that. I can see that already. Oh, a Spider-Man drone. I don't know which one the Spider-Man drone is. Maybe that's the one that's apart, I'm not sure. And maybe they've taken that out the box, I don't know. Or maybe this is the board for the Spider-Man drone. Not sure. Not sure at all. Charger, I take it for the, yep, for that, okay. Sweet little box, man. Batteries. Look at this guy making his own 2S battery. You're awesome, brother. Playing with lipos though, like that, I don't know. Gotta watch yourself doing that, man. You get in trouble with these things. Oh no, check it out. Hey buddy, hope you enjoy this stuff. Sorry, could send in this box. Got to get a different one, and it will be coming. And the shirt is my side business. Awesome. Oh, check this out, guys. A side business, masonry and home improvements. Check him out. Check him out. Well, Justin got it going on, does he? My brother. Thank you, brother. Some LEDs here. Okay, it's another light bow. I see the shirt now. I'm understanding what he's saying. There's a connector. Some propellers again. And these are the little gears. So that little gear did come out of there. It's okay. Let's get that. All these little parts here straight. And this is a okay. This is another LiPo battery for a Sky Viper. This is a oh, this is another little piece here. I'll try to keep everything together. Now this is a the Hups and Trans that he was talking about, transmitter. Now see, you put the antennas out here, like you said. I'll hot glue that onto there. Okay. So this is the original Hups and Trans without the switches. Now I understand what they look like. Nice, man. Never can have too many transmitters. And then here's all these little parts that I don't know what's for. These are feet for the Hups in and stuff like that. So you gotta watch that. Get them all out of there, guys. Yeah, I guess that's the Spider-Man drone he was talking about. That's a part. He said one was a part, but you see the big hole in here, Justin. I don't know if they just punched through it, and I hope everything that you put in the box was in there. I'll let you get a quick look over it all here. I'll go over everything. Does it seem like everything might be there? If not, then I'll get up with the post office and I'll complain about it. And tell them someone got in the box. But it looks like pretty much everything you held up, I believe. So I'm thinking this might be the board for the Spider-Man, maybe. Looks like a Sky Viper board though. A lot. Let's see what he's got here, guys. L&J Masonry 419. Check that out. We'll wash that up. Crystal wear this bad boy. It's crystal size more than mine. Thank you, Justin. Really appreciate that, brother. Check that out, guys. And that's his side business. He's a pimper. So guys, check this out. This is pretty cool. This is nice of Justin to send me this stuff. This, like I said, in here is just some propellers. The little nano ones, you see them? Like little Cheerson CX10 ones. And then, like I said, there's his business and stuff. Yeah. Cool guy, man. Real cool guy. I'm liking this frame, bro. I understand what you're saying now. He's like, you're really going to like that frame once you see it. And there's the motors for them propellers. And then the screws. So I guess these are the motors that go with this. Or I guess they are. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we'll try to get this one into here, being it's FPV'd and everything, and see if we can't get it up and running in the name of QDL. I like tinkering. Man, this frame's rigid too, dude. That's sweet, man. I like that. I really like that. Really, really do. And then you get to fly it with a transmitter that literally has, like he did leave the batteries in it. He's like, I'm going to take the batteries out of it. Buy to plane. Awesome. So I guess that, you know, it binds up to that little guy once you got it plugged in and whatnot. So pretty cool. I thought you had to hold the stick down to press the bind button, but maybe not. Okay. Awesome. We'll get it figured out. He put the antennas outside. Always a good thing. Yeah, see it. That's how you bind it. You push down this button and turn it on, and it binds to it up. Okay. All right, Justin. I really appreciate this, man. You're awesome, brother. This is, you know, stuff I like doing, like tinkering and stuff like this. Figuring out this little stuff and getting it working. That's the idea right there. And I think this may be a Hubsan board. It looks like one. Or the might be the propel. This guy here. It is going to be the propel. I see the power switch and all set up different. Okay. So yeah, we might be able to take them and make them fly. Figure out what we got here. But all right, man. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much, man. This is cool. This is like a kind of like what I like going to. You go to like flea markets and stuff like that, and people just throw stuff all in a box because it's stuff that they've messed with, and they throw it on. It's a bunch of goodies once you get it all out of there. To me, it's goodies. To this other people, it might not be worth much, but to me, awesome. Thank you, Justin. QDL FLIGHT.